Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about the kingdom fungi. You will learn about key features of kingdom fungi, then you will learn about key features and mode of reproduction of different divisions of kingdom fungi, and they are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. Fungi, they are heterotrophous, trophic. Cell wall in fungi is made of chitin and polysaccharide. Heterotrophic fungi can be saprophytic or parasitic. Some of the fungi can live in symbiosis also, for example lichen and mycorrhiza. Yeast is an unicellular fungus, but apart from yeast, the remaining fungi, they are multicellular and they have a filamentous structure. So there are many thread-like structures in a fungus, and these thread-like structures, they are called hyphae. Hyphae is a plural term and hypha is a singular term. The hyphae, they can be aseptate or septate, which means there can be septum or partition in the filament or absence of partition. So here you can see the partitions, and in this case there is no partition. So aseptate filaments, they are also called sinusitic. The network of hyphae is called mycelium. Reproduction in fungi. So there can be vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is by fragmentation of the filament, by fission and by budding. Asexual reproduction is by production of spores, and these spores are called conidia, sporangiospore or zoospores. Sexual reproduction is by oospores, and they are called as ascospores and basidiospores. Sexual cycle involves 3 steps, and these are called plasmogamy, karyogamy and then formation of spores. So plasmogamy, it means the fusion of protoplasm. So there is fusion of protoplasm between 2 gametes, and these gametes can be motile or non-motile. After that, the karyogamy takes place, which means fusion of 2 nuclei, which results in formation of diploid cell with 2n number of chromosomes. After that, reduction division in zygote takes place, which results in formation of spores which are haploid. Kingdom fungi is divided into 4 divisions, and this classification is made on the basis of structure of mycelium, mode of formation of spore and fruiting bodies. So these kingdoms are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Deuteromycetes. So let us begin with Phycomycetes. Phycomycetes live in aquatic habitat. They also live on decaying wood, and some of them, they live as obligate parasite. A parasite which cannot complete its life cycle without a host is called an obligate parasite. The mycelium in Phycomycetes is aseptate or sinusitic, which means there is no septum or partition in the mycelium. Okay, now reproduction. So reproduction is by zoospores, which are motile, or aplanospores, which are non-motile. This is asexual reproduction, and spores are endogenously produced in sporangium. As far as sexual reproduction is concerned, it takes place by zygospores, which are formed by fusion of gametes. Gametes can be similar or dissimilar. So when the gametes are similar, they are called isogamous, and this condition is called isogamy. When gametes are dissimilar, they are called anisogamous, and the condition is called anisogamy. Examples are mucor, rhizopus or bread mold, albugo. This diagram shows the structure of mycelium of rhizopus or bread mold. So these are the hyphae, and this is the network. This is the fruiting body which produces spores. Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes are commonly called sac fungi. They are saprophytic. They can be decomposers, parasitic or coprophilous. Those organisms which grow on dung, they are called coprophilous. Mycelium is branched and septate. Let us now talk about reproduction. Asexual reproduction is by spores which are exogenously produced on the spatial mycelium called conidiophores. Sexual reproduction is by spores which are called ascospores. Ascospores, they are produced endogenously in sac-like asci, and because of these asci, this division is called Ascomycetes. Okay. Asci are arranged in different types of fruiting bodies called ascocarps. Examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neurospora, yeast, penicillium, morels, baffles, etc. So most of you must have heard about yeast and penicillium. Yeast is utilized in fermentation and antibiotics are made from penicillium. Basidiomycetes. These fungi grow in soil, on logs, on tree stumps. Some of them are parasites. Mycelium is branched and septate. Asexual reproduction is usually absent in Basidiomycetes, but vegetative propagation is seen, which happens by fragmentation. Fragmentation is quite common. Sexual reproduction, in case of sexual reproduction, sex organs are absent, but fusion of two vegetative cells of different strains results in plasmogamy, and plasmogamy is eventually followed by karyogamy, which is followed by meiosis, and finally formation of 4 basidiospores. Examples are agaricus, that is mushroom, astilago or smut, and puccinia or rust. So mushroom is macroscopic. Everybody is familiar with mushrooms. They are quite large. They can be seen by naked eyes. Deuteromycetes. Deuteromycetes are generally called imperfect fungi because only sexual phase of them is known. There is no only asexual phase is known. There is no sexual phase. Most of them are decomposers. Some of them are parasites. Mycelium is branched and septate, and examples are Alternaria, Coleto, Trichum, and Trichoderma. Let us now compare the 4 divisions on the basis of mycelium, type of asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. This comparison will help you in better recall of various divisions and better recall of various features of the kingdom fungi. So these are the divisions: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes, and these are the traits on which comparison has been made. So as far as mycelium is concerned, it is aseptate, septate, and sinusitic in Phycomycetes. So the hyphae, they do not have septum or partition. In case of Ascomycetes or Basidiomycetes or Deuteromycetes, the mycelium is branched and septate. As far as asexual reproduction is concerned, in case of Phycomycetes, spores are endogenously produced. In this division, that is Ascomycetes, spores are exogenously produced. In Basidiomycetes, the spores are usually absent. And Deuteromycetes, only asexual or vegetative form is known. Let us compare the sexual reproduction. So in case of Phycomycetes, sexual spores are called zygospores. In case of ascomycetes, sexual spores are called ascospores, which are produced in sac-like structures. In case of basidiomycetes, sex organs are absent, which is same here also, but in deuteromycetes, sexual reproduction is absent. In case of basidiomycetes, in spite of absence of sex organs, fusion of two vegetative cells results in plasmogamy, which eventually results in karyogamy, then followed by meiosis or reduction division, and finally formation of basidiospores. So let us recapitulate. I talked about the key features of the kingdom fungi, then mode of reproduction in kingdom fungi. Then I talked about 4 divisions of kingdom fungi, which are Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. And at the end, I compared all the 4 divisions on the basis of mycelium, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.